Alright, good morning everybody. So today is January 1st, 2020. That's crazy. And we are heading to the snow. We're reaching our goals today already. One of my goals.
Starting strong.
I know, we're starting strong. I told you about this, but I want to be like more active, you know, just be more outdoorsy, if you will. Not crazy, you know, not like a crazy like mountain hiking thing. No.
We'll get there eventually.
Just, you know, like enjoying nature, seeing what that's all about, you know, nature walks, maybe a little hike here and there. But today we're going to the snow. And it's Alyssa's first time too. So we're both newbies.
What about Daddy? It's his first time.
Is it your first time? No, Dad's been there, right? Yeah. I'm also giving this vlogging thing a go, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm just telling you, we are working this year, you know?
The heck did I miss the exit?
Well, now you added another 10 minutes to our travel time.
It looks like I did.
So we finally made it out here. It's gorge. And all this is so fluffy. Like I could just sink in. I'm sinking. So it's fine. It's fine.
Go, Brayden.
I have to get over there. Where are you? Alright, so how much fun are you having right now? It's a video.
So right now we're in the snow. We did the sled. Now we're gonna do a snowman. My daddy's, I don't know. He's getting socks for my mommy, and now we're gonna make a snowman with my scarf.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I don't know how to make snowman, but it's my first time.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go. So we need. Oh, mommy,
What?
it's so hot.
Careful.
This.
Oh! What happened? I thought we were like really well prepared. We're a little under prepared. And I was thinking we're like over prepared. We don't need this much stuff, right? Like as we were getting here, we're like, it's not that cold. It's fine. We don't need this many jackets. Turns out my socks like were super cold. I already had to go switch them. My boots are not tall enough. I'm starving. So, but you know, I'm Mexican, so luckily I brought food, you know, sandwich, turkey, like my mom, our moms taught us well, you know. That's one thing. The food is always on deck. The egg burrito, the bean burrito. Yeah. Okay, we're making a snowman.
Yep, we're making.
But we're taking a lunch break. Right?
Yeah.
How do you like the snow so far?
I'm so good. You gotta try the ice. Don't eat it if it only is clean.
Oh boy. All right. Pretty fun. Pretty good first day of the year.
Yep.
My New Year's Day celebration.
It's a good
Liar. Finish your food, and then you can keep building the snowman.
Are these hands too small?
No, but it's fine.
Idea?
Good idea.
I practically had to drag you guys here.
You did.
I dragged you,
So
Mommy.
many years I've been trying.
I know.
So many years. And each year I say next year, maybe next year.
But it was quite an investment.
Oh, it was. But now we can come in often. So you see that it's not that far. Just drive up here. Spend a couple of hours. It's alive!
Now we need the final touch.
What?
My scarf.
Which is all wet now.
The snowman is named Alyssa. My name is Alyssa.
Cute.
I was like, how do you break?
Careful. Some things never change. Aye. We already did some sledding. We did snowball fighting. We made a snowman. We had lunch or breakfast. Oh, it's been a pretty good day. And now I'm pretty tired. I'm ready to take a nap, you know? The snow is actually really fluffy. Like, look at this. It's like fresh snow. Some of it is like really slippery. Once you step on it like quite a few times, it gets really slippery, huh? But
Mommy, eat the snow.
maybe. Let me get some from like really deep down. Are you allowed to eat this? You can make it nice, you guys.
And the good thing here, the ice, I mean, the sun is don't have to really worry about this.
Sort of what it's looking like. The only thing is like just finding, you know, parking here, and definitely we're not gonna do Apple Tree, right?
Just drive a little further.
Well, don't tell people. Don't tell them. Just kidding. It was fun. I've never been to the snow actually. Not as an adult in California. I've been to the snow in Mexico, obviously, when I was like 5 years old, but you know, it's different. So it was a good day. How was it for you, Alyssa?
It was so good.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
When we were in the sled.
The sled?